Here we introduce the use method of hair dryer drying rate test device. This part is the fixture that moves up and down and adjusts the angle. This is the knob to adjust the air outlet distance forward or backward. This is the sample holder used to hold the sample cloth. Fix the sample cloth on the aluminum round frame with rubber O-ring. Cut off the excess fabric after securing. Fix the hairdryer to the test fixture. Tighten the screws after fastening. Plug the hairdryer into the electrical outlet on the left side of the unit. Adjust the angle so that the hairdryer is in a horizontal position. Loosen the L-shaped screw to adjust the height of the hairdryer up and down. Make the air outlet of the hairdryer and the sample cloth at the same horizontal center. Turn the knob on the left so that the hairdryer is close to the sample cloth. Observe the scale position of the pointer, and then move backward. Power on the device. Enter the control screen and set the power on time to 60 seconds. Stabilization time 5 seconds. Read weight value after 5 seconds. Spray the sample cloth with distilled water to make it evenly wet. Wipe off excess moisture. Press the reset button to clear the data. Press the start button to test. After the first test is completed, distilled water needs to be sprayed on the sample cloth. Press start for a second test. After the second test is complete, spray distilled water on the sample cloth again. Press start for the third test. The data will be recorded automatically after the 3 tests are completed, and the average drying rate will be calculated automatically. That's all for the video. Thanks for your watching.